Ever wondered how to grow your YouTube channel? How to turn those precious views into loyal subscribers? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of YouTube growth, providing a step-by-step guide to help you on your journey. Step 1. Understand your audience. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to know who you're creating content for. Are they young adults looking for educational content? Or perhaps they're older, seeking entertainment or how-to videos? Understanding your audience will tailor your content and keep viewers coming back for more. Step 2. Consistency is key. Regular uploads signal to your viewers and to YouTube's algorithm that you're a serious content creator. Whether you're posting once a week or once a day, stick to a schedule. Consistency also extends to the quality of your content. Ensure your videos are always the best they can be. Step 3. Master SEO. Search engine optimization isn't just for websites. The right keywords in your title, description, and tags can work wonders for your visibility. Use YouTube's auto-suggest feature to find the most searched for terms in your niche. Step 4. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your channel. The more viewers engage with your content, the more likely YouTube's algorithm is to recommend your videos. Step 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. This is a fantastic way to reach new audiences. Find channels that complement yours and reach out for collaboration opportunities. Remember, YouTube is a community, not a competition. Step 6. Leverage social media. Promote your content on other platforms. This can help drive traffic to your YouTube channel and increase your subscriber count. Step 7. Be patient. Growing a YouTube channel takes time. Don't get discouraged if progress is slow. Keep creating, keep improving, and your audience will grow. So, to summarize, understand your audience, be consistent with your uploads, master SEO, engage with your viewers, collaborate with other YouTubers, leverage social media, and be patient. Growing a YouTube channel is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and a lot of hard work. But with these steps, you're well on your way to YouTube success. Remember, every big YouTuber started with 0 subscribers, so don't be afraid to dream big, work hard, and create content that you're passionate about. The rest will follow.